Discovering the quirky side of U.S. legal customs reveals a surprising array of unusual laws still in effect today. For instance, in Georgia, it's illegal for chickens to roam free, while Delaware prohibits the sale of dog and cat hair, marking it as a Class A misdemeanor. In California, whistling for a lost canary before 7 a.m. is banned due to noise regulations, and tripping horses is outlawed in 11 states as an animal rights issue. Indiana restricts horse riders to a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour on city streets, while Missouri classifies bear wrestling as a Class A misdemeanor. In California, frogs dying during competitions cannot be eaten, and Washington has an ordinance against killing Bigfoot, even if it originated as an April Fool's joke. Other amusing laws include a ban on gorillas riding in the backseat in Massachusetts, prohibitions against snakes near Mardi Gras parades in Louisiana, and an unexpected law in Alabama against driving blindfolded. Lastly, Arkansas has a quirky rule against sounding car horns near sandwich shops after 9 p.m. These strange laws serve as a reminder of the unique and often humorous aspects of legal systems across the country.